I'm headed to a near Loop, West Loop location that's a short walk from the UIC campus, from the neighborhood's fabulous dining and nightlife scene, and across the street from a public park for a walk through one of Sweet Home's furnished short-term apartments at the new, pet-friendly, full-amenity Milieu. Milieu is pet-friendly and has 24/7 door staff. The building's extensive amenities start at the lobby level, where there's a lounging area and an innovative gear garage with sports equipment. The top floor amenities include a skyline view wellness studio adjacent to a fitness center that has a wide variety of cardio and strength training equipment. There's a comfortably furnished media room adjacent to a rambling social lounge with a fireplace, a gaming area, a bar, and multiple furniture groupings for large and small gatherings. The lounge opens to a pool deck with grilling areas and great skyline views. The fourth floor has a library lounge, private office conference rooms, print with me service, and an outdoor dog run. I just stepped into apartment 403. There's a coat closet off to my left with an ironing board, broom, extra light bulbs. Sweet Home welcome you home with a goodie bag in addition. Very sleek kitchen, 42-inch upper cabinets for storage, French door refrigerator, 5-burner gas range, with a microwave, white quartz counters, tile backsplash, all the countertop appliances, cookware, dinnerware, cutlery, etc. that you're going to want to feel right at home. Kitchen peninsula has a breakfast bar, very wide, deep farm-style sink, gooseneck faucet with a spray attachment. You're looking at a loft feel. Ceilings that are soaring up above 11 feet, exposed concrete columns, exposed ductwork. Heading back toward the bedroom, there's blank flooring continuing throughout. Sliding pocket door opens into the bedroom. Closet has organizers and extra linens and bedding. The second flat panel TV in the bedroom. Very nice feel to this room. Continuing on, another sliding pocket door opens to the bath. Very unusual, wide window in the bath. It's a high window, there are roller blinds. Wide vanity with a bank of drawers, quartz counter, an undermount sink, deep soaking tub, and behind the louvered door is a stacked front-loading washer dryer. How often do you get to look out a window while you do your laundry? Milieu has a very appealing suite of amenities, terrific location, and it's a Sweet Home apartment. So it's a sweet deal if you plan to stay a while or just for 30 days.